Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Milwaukee M18 compact brushless 1/4 hex impact driver kit. This is from Home Depot. It's on sale for $89. That's why I got it, because it's on sale and it's really cheap right now. So if you guys need one, go ahead and pick one up. I'm just gonna do the unboxing. We're gonna be testing this drill. Later, we're going to be putting it up against other drills or other impact drivers. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Seems like we got some tape over here. Alright, right out of the box we see a bag. Nothing on the box. Alright, we have the bag here. Seems like we got a nice Milwaukee bag. Materials look pretty decent, pretty thick. Alright. Alright, right out of the bag, we got nothing but heavy duty Milwaukee M12 M18. I guess this is a little catalog that they have so you can order all the tools. And then we got some instructions. Pretty much it says operator's manual. This is for the charger, I guess, in the batteries, and this is for the drill itself, or the impact driver. Right out of the box, or the bag, I would say, you got the charger here. It's a dual charger. It is an M12 and M18 charger. You guys look at what it says right there. You got the serial number there. You guys can see it. It says input 120 volts, 60 hertz, 2.1 amp. Output 12 to 18 volts, 3 amps. Says Milwaukee tool, Brookfield, USA. What else? Charger looks pretty good quality. You got some lights up here, some LEDs probably. And then you can hang it, I guess, with some screws in the wall. Other than that, it's pretty much your standard charger. This is the 12 volts. This is the 18 volts. All right, we'll set this back here. Alright, the next item that we have and this is the drill driver, or the impact driver. This is a tool. Looks pretty good. Got some numbers there at the bottom. I don't know if they marked their tools like that, but yeah, there's some numbers there at the bottom. Looks brand new. Looks like it does have some oil. It's not really oil, it's just a shiny material. I mean, they just cleaned it out. Feels pretty good. On the back here, we have, let's see here, we got CAT number 2850-20. It says listed 9R31. Uses M18 batteries. It says brushless on the back. don't know if you guys could see it. Brushless. It says Milwaukee there. Brushless here on the side. Pretty simple. You know, pretty plain. M18 here, and then we got the chuck right there. We have to see if it's a 1-key chuck. And then we have the pocket holder, or the belt holder there. Alright, let's see what else we got in the bag. We got a battery. Alright, pretty much your standard Milwaukee battery. It is a 2.0 amp hour. It's rubber on the back here down. It says 18 volts, 36 Lion. Let's see what else. 2 amp hour battery pack, recycle. And then we got a battery gauge. Battery gauge at the front. We only have 1 bar. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on the charger, let it charge, and then we're gonna do some testing. I'm just gonna try it like that, see if it works. You feel a lot of air coming out of these holes, which is a good thing. Oh yeah, you feel the air. Seems like it has a big old fan there, which is a good thing, because there's a lot of air moving out of this tool, and it runs cooler. It doesn't overheat. Now we got LED light there at the front. Alright, let's put this in the charger, and alright, charger's plugged in. Let's see, let's take out the battery here. Slide it in. Once you slide it in, you got a light. I don't know if you guys could see it, but yeah, there's a red light. There you go. There's a red light there, and then the battery is lit up there too. So we got a red light. We got blinking light. It's just gotta wait, I guess, for the blinking light, blinking red light. And then for the solid red light, it is charging. And then for the solid green, it's already charged. And then for the blinking rapidly, I guess, red, that means it's hot. And if it's bad, I guess it's if it's bad, it's red and green. All right, we got a screw here. Let's do another screw. About right there. Works perfect. That's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Like I said, I will have more videos coming out of this tool. I'll let you guys know how it performs. I will put it up against DeWalt, Hercules, and other brands, even Joby. So I will put it against all those, and we'll see how it performs. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.